To avoid overdraft fees with Brigit, start by understanding how overdraft fees work. An overdraft fee occurs when you spend more money than you have in your account, resulting in a negative balance. Brigit is a financial app that helps you avoid these fees by providing cash advances and alerts to monitor your account balance. First, download and install the Brigit app on your smartphone. Create an account and link it to your checking account. This will allow Brigit to track your account balance and transaction history. Brigit will analyze your spending habits and provide you with a personalized budget and financial insights. Next, set up alerts and notifications to inform you when your account balance is low. This will help you avoid overdrafts by notifying you when you need to transfer funds or reduce your spending. Brigit also offers cash advances of up to $250 to help you cover unexpected expenses. To avoid overdraft fees, make sure to keep a close eye on your account balance and transaction history. Use the Brigit app to track your spending and stay within your budget. If you notice that your account balance is low, transfer funds from your savings or other accounts to avoid overdrafts. Another key feature of Brigit is its ability to automatically transfer funds to your account when your balance falls below a certain threshold. This feature can be set up in the app and will help you avoid overdraft fees by providing a safety net for your account. In addition to using Brigit, there are other best practices you can follow to avoid overdraft fees. These include keeping a cushion of funds in your account, avoiding overdrafts by transferring funds from other accounts, and being mindful of your spending habits. By following these steps and using the Brigit app, you can avoid overdraft fees and take control of your finances. Remember to always monitor your account balance and transaction history, and use the tools and features provided by Brigit to stay on top of your financial situation. With Brigit, you can avoid the stress and expense of overdraft fees and achieve greater financial stability.